Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for the month of August 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. In this video I'll be checking out your past, present and future energies, and at the end of the video I'll be taking out some messages for you from the person. Okay, so for example, this card is here. So this card is saying that I'm manifesting you, I'm looking for stability between us. So this is a direct message from your person to you. So this is what I'm going to check out. Okay, before that, just think of a yes or no question as anything, like any question, whatever you want to think. So I'll tell you the answer. Either it can be a yes or a no or a maybe as well. So think, Aquarius, think yes or no question. So the answer to your question is yes. You are my sunshine. So the sun card is here. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. It is only you that I want. Wow. So this is the answer to your question. Now let's see our tarot. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading, my dear Aquarius. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. All right. So let's see. And if you want to book a tarot appointment with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want. Okay. Let's see. So the obstacle for you this month is the Tower, and the overall energy for you is the King of Pentacles. Wow. So the King of Pentacles as the overall energy also came in my last Capricorn's video as well. Okay, so you can also be dealing with the Taurus over here. Okay, so there is like, you know, that situation, the obstacle with the Tower is it's telling me that, you know, a situation where some things are ending because of some person's stubbornness. I feel from the inside you really love a person with whom you are dealing with. A lot of love is there, but the endings need to be there as well. Sometimes some endings are really important, because when one person is being so stubborn, and you know, when a person is like blocking you from everywhere, everything, like that situation, if you are dealing with one, so this is that thing. See, the Sun is here again. So some more cards for you. The Sun, the Magician, 9 of Swords, 5 of Swords, 5 of Wands. So yeah, sadness, arguments, fights, anxiety, depression, everything is here. It's like you are manifesting the negative situations around you. Strong negativity for the bad you are not able to see, because the sun is so bright. You are not able to see anything because the bright sun. Wow. In the past we have 3 of Pentacles, Knight of Swords and the 10 of Cups. Some decisions in the past were made really fast. Sometimes, you know, you just want to get married. I think for somebody this was a decision regards with marriage. Might be your parents, might be your people around you. They were telling you, okay, so just be patient, please take some time. But it was like, no, I want to take this decision. I want to take a step towards this thing, no matter what. At present we have the Strength, 9 of Wands and the World. Yeah, strong blocking energies from some other person. Strength energy might be a Leo with whom you are dealing with, but this energy is blocking you. The endings are coming closer. That is what you are feeling. There is nothing left for this situation. In the future we have Page of Swords, the Moon and Knight of Wands. The things will not end so easily. I don't see that, because it's coming up again with the Moon energy. The things might be hideous, and somebody is talking you over here. You know, somebody is coming towards you. Might be the old person only, or might be the new as well. Now let's do the clarification. Okay, so let's see why the Tower energy is here as an obstacle for my Aquarius. 5 of Swords, 10 of Cups and the World. Yes, there was already strong manipulations involved. Might be your family members or relatives, somebody was there, and that is why you are feeling this ending because of somebody else getting involved in the situation. If more than two people are there in one situation, that situation will end no matter what. If this is a situation involving two people only, let only two people handle it. Okay. Let's see the King of Pentacles. Why King of Pentacles is here? Why King of Pentacles is here? Two of Cups, the High Priestess, and Eight of Wands. Yes, something is actually hidden. The reality is somebody is not yet ready to open up. So whosoever this person is, one person is showing all the angerness because of whatever the fights, but one person is blocking the energy. One person is not showing exactly what he or she is feeling. The love was there, the love is still there. I feel the communication can happen, but it is not happening because one person is not ready to even speak. It's like, one person is just keeping everything inside and not ready to speak because of that whatever you did to me kind of a mode, and this person that is why not speaking anything. Let me clarify now the past energies. Tell me more about the Knight of Swords in the past. Three of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Star. Yeah, a decision had been made. It was really fast. A decision which was there. The timing was good. The decision in which you made that decision, it was fast, but the timing was good. The universe said yes to it. But when the person get involved with, I really am getting strong vibes of other people getting involved in the situation. It's not just two people's situation anymore. The universe said yes for this marriage. If this is a marriage or this is a relationship, whatever this is, the universe said yes for it. It was no problem for this relationship in the past. That is not what I am seeing in the past energies. Let's check the present. Why the Nine of Wands is here? Queen of Wands, Tower, and Nine of Wands. See, again, that strong stubbornness and strong feeling of blocking an energy, blocking someone, not talking at all, just keeping your guards down every time. That is what is coming up. It can be somebody's mother who is involved in the situation. Somebody is there, definitely. Tell me more about the world energy. Knight of Swords, Six of Wands, and Page of Cups. I really feel that somebody is really very happy for the separation, for this ending. Somebody just made some, there's some games which were played, and out of you both, not out of you both, other than you two, someone else is very happy for the separation. Tell me more about the Page of Swords in the future. This can go towards the law thing as well, in law, in courts. If it is already there, you still are going through a lot of tiredness and a lot of heaviness in the heart, because actually you both don't want it. Somewhere there is a feeling that we can get back together, but who will approach first? The Moon. Tell me more about the Moon. The Moon clarified by Moon, Ace of Pentacles, and Death. See, things starting, just a very beautiful start, and just after that an ending card. A new start, an ending to a new start. Wow, such difference. I'm not going to clarify it more. I don't see, because sometimes the endings come because you do not want to talk, and there's no communication in this situation. I don't see any communication. All right, so let me check some messages for you from your partner. Messages for my Aquarius from their partner. The first card, Five of Wands. See, let the dogs bark. I will remain unaffected with what is being thrown at me. So, is it or is it not? You are my gift of love, my wish, my inspiration, and my happiness. I will always want you, the Star. Three of Pentacles, work with me on making our relationship stronger. I crave for your collaboration and cooperation. The Hanged Man, I have put things on hold to re-evaluate our relationship. I feel stuck right now. Five of Swords, no one is winning here. We both are losing yet cannot see it. It is an empty victory. These ego clashes have made me lose respect for you. So that is all from my side, my dear Aquarius. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.